What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do software update iOS 18.3. So let's get into it. Open up your settings, go to General, then Software Update. And right here, iOS 18.3 is going to be displayed, and as you can see, it's approximately 922.7 megabytes. Now yours might differ just slightly, but it should be in the same ballpark. This update brings improvements to visual intelligence along with other enhancements, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. Now to get more info on this, go down to the bottom and select Learn More. And as you can see, it says about this update. So if you just briefly scan through and read, you will see all the updates that are happening with this specific software upgrade. As you can see, visual intelligence with camera control, all iPhone 16 models, so that applies to those models, notification summaries for various iPhone models, and at the bottom, it shows the enhancements and bug fixes. All right, guys, now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select Update Now. When you select Update Now, this is going to download the update. You put in your passcode, and then it says Update Requested. That's going to download it. Once it's complete, it will require you to select Update Now again, and this will begin the install. Now that is when it will verify the update, take you through a series of reboots, and your phone will be updated once the rebooting is complete. So as you can see, we're at that part now. So I'm going to select Update Now. It's verifying. And then once it is complete, your lock screen should look just like this. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 18.3. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.